ICE just detained you, but you are a U.S. citizen. What do? It sounds impossible, but it is happening. ICE has wrongfully detained hundreds of American citizens, some for hours, some for days, some for weeks. People with U.S. passports, people born here, naturalized citizens, even U.S. citizens with full documentation in their pocket. If it happens to you, every minute matters. Here is exactly what to do. Step 1. Say the magic sentence. I am a U.S. citizen. I am exercising my right to remain silent. I want to speak to an attorney. That is your whole response. Do not explain, do not argue, do not show emotion, do not start telling your life story. ICE agents are trained to use whatever you say to delay your release. Say those 3 sentences, then stop. Step 2. Do not sign anything. ICE may put paperwork in front of you and tell you to sign. They may say it is just a release form. They may say signing speeds things up. Do not sign. Anything you sign can be used to push you out of the country before your status is verified. Refuse. Politely but firmly. I am not signing anything without a lawyer. Step 3. Demand proof of identity verification. ICE has access to passport records, social security records, and citizenship databases. They can verify you are a citizen in minutes. Ask them, please verify my citizenship through your systems before continuing this detention. Make them do their job. Step 4. Get a message out. You only get a few phone calls. Use them wisely. Call one family member who can act fast. Tell them where you are, that you are a U.S. citizen being wrongfully detained, and to contact an immigration attorney immediately. Memorize the number of someone who will pick up. Not in your phone, memorized. Step 5. Document everything once you are out. Names of agents, badge numbers, times, locations, what they said, what they asked. This documentation matters because wrongful detention of a U.S. citizen is a violation of your constitutional rights. You have the legal grounds to sue. People have won settlements ranging from $35,000 to over $400,000. Now here is the bigger question. Why is this happening to citizens in the first place? 3 main reasons. 1. Naturalized citizens whose records were mishandled in the system. 2. Citizens whose names match someone in an ICE database. 3. Citizens detained alongside undocumented family members during a raid and held before their status is verified. How to protect yourself before it happens. Carry proof of citizenship at all times. A U.S. passport card fits in your wallet. Get one. If you derive citizenship through a parent, file Form N-600 and get a certificate of citizenship. A passport is a travel document. The certificate is permanent proof. If you are a naturalized citizen, keep a copy of your certificate of naturalization scanned and emailed to yourself. Save it to multiple devices. Make sure a family member has access. Teach your kids what to say if ICE approaches them or your family. ICE can detain you wrongfully. The law does not stop them in the moment, but the law gives you the tools to fight back if you know how to use them. Memorize the sentence. Refuse to sign. Demand verification. Make the call. Document everything. Save this. Share it. Because the people who survive these encounters are the ones who knew exactly what to do before it happened.